Good afternoon, everyone. So we are now moving on in chapter 10, continuing professional development. With subtopics, professional development within the school and department. Second, professional associations, master's levels grades. So here are the learning outcomes. So at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to first identify professional development opportunities within the school department. Second, outlines the roles of professional associations for mathematics teachers. Last, give examples of criteria for assessment of master's levels. So, professional development within the school department. So, when we say professional development, so it means learning new things to become better at our jobs. And teachers, so it likes doing back to school to learn more about teaching. So in school and department, professional development is a two-way process with obligations on both the teachers and the school. So two-way process siya because teachers in the schools share responsibility for professional growth and sharing ideas, resources, and also reflections, benefits for the teachers. So a strong team ethic in early teaching departments can greatly benefit teachers. So as they share ideas and professional reflections. So sabi ko na nga na the teachers in the schools they share ideas and resources. So formal support within the schools, we include departmental meetings. So when we say departmental meetings, facilitate collaborations and information sharing. And appraisals. So when we say appraisals, it is formal evaluations to help teachers identify growth areas. So next, unfair observations programs. So when we say fair observation programs, so teachers observe and learn from each other. Teaming up with other entities can contribute to personal progress and personal well-being. So entities, it means newly qualified teachers. So sabi ko nga, as a future teacher, so we need to collaborate and promote inclusive in our school. And also, connecting with fellows and entities provides valuable supports and resources. For example, we have a strong department and we share ideas and resources. So if something didn't work or something worked really well, so we talk about it. We show each other our good ideas. There's a lot to give and take in this department. So I use lots of ideas that have come from other people, but also I share what I have. For example, I learned how to use the software, a package Cabri, and then we arranged some sessions where I showed everyone else how to use Cabri. So it just enriches everybody's teaching. We share a lot, and that really helps. In our department, if you have got something that you have struggled to teach, then it is normal to us that anybody has got good ideas for the topic. So this example also illustrates the benefits of a collaborative teaching environment. So the teachers share their ideas or skills in their colleagues. Then teachers exchange materials and ideas. So colleagues help each other to overcome challenges. And the teachers discuss successes and setbacks, and also join learning and skills sharing. So another example, the school conducts professional development meetings with the head of department each year, setting targets based on the results, teaching and learning and anything. So the head of department observes teachers and review their performance. Training programs are developed internally with minimal external involvement. Per lesson observations are conducted using a school form for identify teaching styles, evaluate cross-curricular items, and comment on ICTs. So the observation form is developed from the school's teaching and learning policy. Plenaries are often difficult for the school's teaching and learning policy. So the whole school in service sessions or voluntary training sessions are conducted. So recently, we prepared for following reasons, evaluated the school's teaching policy and identified areas for development. So we use per observations to focus on specific lesson for improvement across all the subjects. So this example to, number 2 is, so this example showcase a balance or supportive and collaborative teaching environment focused on continuous improvement. So the schools or the schools prioritize teacher growth through annual meetings, per observations, and internal training and collaborative feedback to enhance teaching quality and student outcomes. So, teaching is a career that requires continuous improvement. So, syempre, as a teacher, we need to study until parang sabi nga na wala saan katapusan na pag-study. Pag once isa kang teachers. So regardless of current performance, so feedback, targets, and accountability are key to enhancing teaching and learning. So as a teacher, kailangan natin natanggapin kung ano yung feedback ng mga principal sa atin and yung mga colleagues natin in order for us to enhance our teaching and learning. Schools prioritize self-evaluations, leading to fair observations, schemes. So teachers have a responsibility to identify their professional development needs and seek opportunities to accommodate them. So as a teacher, so dapat alam natin kung ano yung dapat na improve sa atin. Diba? So sabi nga na, diba andyan yung professional development para mas ma-improve pa natin yung ating teaching and learning and also ma-improve ang ating professional development. So when we say math hubs, it is our centers of excellence that provide professional development and resources sa mga mathematics teachers and educators. And Math Hub is aimed to improve mathematics teaching and learning outcomes and also provide sila sa high quality training and resources for teachers. So next is professional associations. So the National Center of Excellence in the Teaching of Mathematics, or NCETM, is a key organization for all mathematics trainees and teachers. So ang NCETM is isa siya sa mga organizations na nag-support sa mathematics trainees and teachers. So one section of websites focuses on initial teacher training, or NCETM, in 2013, providing support for both providers of training and trainees. So isa siya sa mga ang product nila is yung Mathemapedia. So Mathemapedia is designed to mirror the style of the web-based encyclopedia, Wikipedia, but with mathematical content. So ang Mathemapedia is a combination sa mathematics and Wikipedia, o encyclopedia. But ang Mathemapedia is with mathematical content. So there are two well-established professional associations for teachers of mathematics. So first, mathematical associations, or MA. So ano nga ba yung mathematical associations? So mathematical associations are organizations focused on promoting mathematics, fostering collaborations, and advancing mathematical knowledge. So isa doon gano'n siya sa organizations na nag-focus siya sa pag-promote sa mathematics and promote sa collaborative learning when it comes to our mathematics. Second, associations of teachers of mathematics, or ATM. So associations of teachers of mathematics is a professional organization supporting mathematics educators worldwide, and also it aims to promote excellence in mathematics teaching and learning, and also support teacher development and encourage innovations. So each organization holds an annual conference this is sometimes held jointly. So with keynote speaker, research reports, and working groups. And so same Sindasan nag-publish some books, pamphlets, discussion papers, and specialist teaching materials, and have local association of members met together on a regular basis. So same gyapon sila nag-publish ng mga books, related gyapon sa mathematics. So the MA published 7 regular magazines, MAA News, published throughout weekly. So nakakabulig siya sa mga teachers